This is from a young adult of Malaysia. Have all of you SSIO leaders spoken to the common devotee? You have town halls to tell us what you feel and believe. But have you wondered how we feel? We have lost all respect for leaders, both from the SSIO and Global Council, for this disunity that is being created. We would have loved to see you come and tell us. Manoj, this young adult is saying, have you talked to the devotees?
Yes, there's a chain of communication which happens in SSIO. Any matters which are discussed in the Prashanti Council meeting with the zone chairs, we attend that. And then what happens is that every zone calls the NCPs and it is discussed. And from there, the NCP discusses with the center presidents, because in all our emails or communication which come from Dr. Reddy, the one line is always written, please communicate this message to all the center presidents and all the devotees. So because it's for a zone chair or for Dr. Reddy to talk 120 countries, it is not possible. So this line of communication is always there. And apart from that, for young adult, there is always a young adult leader who communicates with the zonal young adult leaders, and from there it is conveyed to the young adults. So the communication has always been there, and is so precisely done, because for this global council initially, Dr. Reddy thought that initially it is matter of it doesn't concern the normal devotees. It only concerns the top officials. So it was told only to zone chairs, and zone chairs discuss with the NCPs, and a decision was given to Dr. Reddy that yes, this proposal which was given to us in November, it needs clarification. It is not acceptable to us, and that's what it was conveyed to Dr. Reddy, and it was conveyed to Central Trust. But later on, when the things went further, after 3-4 months, these communications were told, and suddenly there was an announcement that those who will join Global Council, they will have these privileges. It came as all of a sudden, and then again it was communicated to the devotees, through the devotees, through the NCPs. So there is always a communication, and it has been always followed strictly in writing. So I don't think there is no communication from our side to the devotees.
Thank you. Can I just say to the young adult, thank you for your message. I really respect you for putting that forward. I will give Suresh Govin your name, and would you please ask your leaders around you his contact details, and I'm sure Suresh will be very happy to talk to you. I will give him your name.
Yeah, one thing is that I actually empathize with that youth, because honestly, from the eyes of the youth, what is happening now, they will definitely be, what he says, disrespect, because this is not what they would have expected in a home. Happen now. There's a psychological breakup, and they feel the stress and the tension that is happening.
Yeah,
so
that is there. But I just want to tell that, like in some countries in my zone, the center presidents, and they have taken decision without asking and without consulting the young adults.
Yeah.
And the young adults are asking the center presidents, how come you have taken decision without taking our consents?